Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful nail design using REVEL nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael Symone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So the products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Pro Dip Silver Dip Powder, a Pixie Pink mixture that I made using Kiara Sky Dark Pink and Diamond Dust Glitter, and also this green and purple dip powder from REVEL Nail. I've already applied my tips and now I'm using Kiara Sky Bond on my natural nails to dehydrate the nails. This helps to prevent lifting of the nails as well as the prepping of the nails that I do off camera. I have a video that I'll link in the cards and in the description down below showing how I usually prep my nails for dip powder application. So now I apply base to half of the nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder, and then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder again. This is just a personal preference, but it's not really necessary. So starting with the pinky, I'm doing a color block Chevron French nail. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I angle my finger into the green dip powder first to achieve one side of the Chevron French. Then I angle my finger into the purple dip powder to achieve the other side. Then I sprinkle my Pixie Pink mixture onto the rest of the nail. Then I repeat this process again. So these colors are super gorgeous as well. It's not very bright, so keep that in mind when doing this nail design, or if you're doing any nail design. I really liked the subtleness of the colors, especially with this design. Usually the colors I choose are bold, but I just thought I'd do something a little different. It might be difficult for you guys to see all of the designs on the camera, but it's really nice colors and I really liked how the design came out. This design is perfect for the springtime and also for Easter because the pastel colors are well suited for the Easter time. Now, using a disposable container, I'm just placing some of the green dip powder and also some of the purple dip powder, and then I mix them together to get the marble effect. Then I apply base to my ring finger. Then I apply it into the marble mixture, ensuring to get the sides of the nails. The colors weren't opaque because it is pastel colors, so it needs 3 layers to reach full opacity. However, I liked the subtle look of the marble nail. I have a lot of loud opaque marble nails on my channel already. I would link to a playlist in the description down below. So I just thought I'd do this subtle marble design. I really liked it. So now onto the middle finger. Well, this was a color block fail because this wasn't the design I was going for. So you know when you have something in your mind but your hand decides to go elsewhere and like you can't stop your hand from doing what your mind didn't want it to do? Well, that was me and this nail. And when I realized it was too late, so this is what I went for. But it came out really nice and I did 2 layers as well. I'm not mad at it, but you know, I wanted to do something a little different, but I ended up doing it on another set of nails, which y'all will see soon, hopefully. So if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button down below to let me know what you think. So the reason I'm pouring the dip powder instead of dipping my finger into the dipping powder is because I didn't want my dip powder to be contaminated even more. So I thought this would be a better way of doing it so that it would be less contamination of my purple dip powder. I also brush in between dipping to alleviate the amount of contamination that could happen. Although we know glitter gets everywhere, so we can't really stop that, I'm just trying to alleviate the amount of glitter that gets into the dip powder. Now, on to the index finger, I'm doing a marble chevron French nail. So I apply base to the whole nail. And then I angle the tip of my finger into the marble mixture to achieve the chevron French. Then I use the pixie pink mixture on my nail bed area. And then I repeat for another layer. So now onto the thumbnail. I really loved this design. It was so simple but so confusing if you don't know how to do it. So I did 3 layers of this design so that it would reach full opacity. I used the 2 REVEL nail dip powders and the Pro Dip Silver to achieve this design. So I'll just let you guys look at it, you know, because I don't know if I could explain it well enough, but y'all could see what I'm doing. I really loved how this color block came out. It was so gorgeous. OMG. So now I just encapsulate all of my designs to protect it when I'm filing. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1. Then I apply activator to harden the nails and I waited 5 minutes, then I began filing. So this is after filing and buffing. So I didn't know if I wanted to apply regular dip powder top coat or gel top coat. But I decided to apply gel top coat. So when working with the gel top coat, the surface needs to be a little rough so that the gel could adhere to the nail. So if we were to be using the regular dip powder top coat, you would use activator first and then apply 2 coats of top coat. However, when using gel top coat that you cure in the lamp, don't apply any activator, just go in with the gel top coat. So before I cured, I also decided to bedazzle the marble nails as well. So I cured it for 60 seconds and then I waited for it to cool down and then I applied cuticle oil to all of the nails. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!